So on this transformations pyramid sum puzzle, you're going to want to start by probably just solving all the problems first, or at the minimum solving at least that top row. And then you're going to drag the letters it tells you to up into that top row. So I've just put in answers that are not correct, but I just wanted to be able to show you how to assemble the puzzle. So once you fill in the row on the top, how it tells you to, then the way you figure out what is going to go in these boxes below, so like in this box here, is you are going to take the x coordinates. So this first box is like stacked underneath D and L. And so the way you figure out the x coordinate for this box is you're going to take your x coordinates from the previous problem and add them together. So 1 plus 0 is going to get me 1. So whatever the answer is, the x coordinate for this one's supposed to be 1. And then you're going to take the y coordinates, so -5 and 4, add those together. That's going to be -1. So the answer to that, or the answer for the letter that goes here, is supposed to be 1, -1. Again, please don't try to use these answers. I completely just made them up. But as you can see, that would be B. So then I would be moving letter B to go over into this box that's under D and L right now. And then clearly when I copied things over, I did something wrong because these both say L. So we're just going to pretend they don't. And then again, if I were trying to figure out what letter is supposed to go in this box right here, then I am going to take the x coordinates. So that would be 0 and -4. I'm going to add them together. So that's -4. Then I'm going to try to figure out my y coordinates. So I'm going to take 4 and 5, add those together. That would be 9. And then if I go back over to my answer choices, I can see that C is -4, 9. So I would be taking C and dragging it right here. And you're just going to continue that process down. So if the next box I'm trying to figure out is this box, it is stacked underneath these two. So I would start by taking my x values, adding those together. So 1 plus -4 is -3. Then taking my y values, adding those together. -1 plus 9. That's 8. So the next answer should be -3, 8. I would come over here, find that answer, drag it where it goes. And then you should just be able to follow that process all the way down. So hopefully that helps a little bit with the directions here. Then go ahead and just spend the rest of the class period working on this sum puzzle.